welcome, Burritos. This is day 3, December 3rd of Vlogmas. Okay, I'm here at Stush Studios, and I'm getting ready to go and show you what the studio looks like. Okay.
Up on the housetop, reindeer paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys. All for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, click, click. Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
I'm not trying to romantic. You know, like back skin what I do, like say she look man for my life. She.
It's unfair, man. Only Elli alone up there. The wickedness, man.
alone them put on the wall. I'm the hungry somebody with little fame.
Oh, look for me.
Yeah.
Why they would put me?
Why they wanna put you with what?
Remember where they come from, you know?
You can't forget.
Not even buried, I get buried.
I made the first one there, made the first 5 years ago.
First vlog I was signed to Stosh and still do not have a picture on the wall.
Watch it, Romy and Virgo gone up to box foot. No, what, no. No, friend.
This will not be tolerated. You are not managed by Stosh.
No, man, them so unfair.
This not right. This not right.
Watch
Why
it.
Romy and Virgo picture up on the wall and fame and they not signed to Stosh? Huh? This is foolishness, man. Barry, me feel like if it's trying, remember say we are the one responsible for the lights here.
No, I think so for us to do own a shoot and just sneak in at the office when I need them and put up a picture. Put up a picture.
Right, and I'm not even happy for doing a shoot. People just give the sun some cream making drama. And can't come put up here.
No, man, friend, this is a slapping at the face, no, man,
What
friend.
does Romy and Virgo have that I do not have, huh? Come in, people, for my life, chime in. What does Romy and Virgo have
Don't make them answer that.
that I do not have? Huh? Can't even the same natural hair like mine.
Yeah, which girl is? Which
Come on, puppy.
Which girl is? Elli, which girl?
Once you go cross road, they can take a puppy in taxi.
Jesus Christ, you could even send her around catch, bro.
Do it now?
Elli, you could send her around catch, bro.
Today.
Juke. Ooh.
This is the porky one.
That's a porky one. Bless.
Jody, your cheesy bread.
Elli, pizza done. Elli Divina. So that's Mario.
Thank you.
That is your cheesy bread. That's nice. We can go with it. I'm sorry. In the arms of an angel.
What exactly is wrong with you?
In the
What?
arms. In the next season of A Ray of Hope.
Fern gets to eat some pizza without a camera in my face.
And this is Kevon. I don't know what you call him, but he's basically really popular on Twitter. I don't know. I think it's Kevon Court. So if you've ever wanted to know what he actually looks like in person, this is him for all the viral tweets. If you ever want help, developing your Twitter, this is the person to contact, okay? This is him being studious. Oh, look at you. Wow, you're one of them people that promote the mess of Dalton's mother.
For Tea of the Week every Monday at 7 p.m.
Stop plug Stosh. I'm trying to this. This is Elli Divina.
Containers. Yeah, dude. It's what I defend right now.
This is, if you don't know, this is movie star. Lead actor in a movie called Sprinter. It's been in the pipeline for about 5 years now.
15.
For about 5 years now, about 10 years. You started the movie when you were 16. Yeah, how much now?
22.
You'll see that. A movie still a promote, okay. Alright, so KC, old boys. Why is KC so great? Just one question. Why is KC so great?
If you have to ask a question like that, you are stupid. You don't deserve to be in our presence at this moment.
You have to be a part of it to know what it's like.
I want to understand, where do KC men get them confidence to the point where when a KC youth step into a room, somebody can detect, somebody know immediately say,
You are
KC old boy.
indoctrinated that way.
Bomba, big word.
Even if you are part of it for 3 weeks.
When you learn the word, Elli?
2 months. What is that?
When you learn the word there?
Out of 4 of the vloggers we management to KC?
Most of the vloggers that you're seeing now went to KC. Prince Five.
But a lot of only now,
went to
I do,
KC.
what you call it, social media type of stuff.
Yes, there's a lot of KC.
20 used to go KC.
20 went to KC, Jeffrey went to KC, I went to KC, Jordan went to KC, Prince Five went to
Have you
KC.
used to go KC?
No.
Oh.
No.
You used to do the alkaline remix then, man?
Nobody used to come to KC.
Oh, okay.
He went to KC.
The new youth, you see how the Bounty Vice now, that man is still KC, the Rasta youth from Florida.
Yeah.
Trip now.
Yeah.
KC. We have a lot of
Extremely talented school, extremely gifted school.
yeah, Shell and Shepherd from the Nomads went
Who
to
would you say
KC.
is the most famous KC?
Old boy?
Yeah. Who would you say that in terms of that person, like the greatest,
We have too much.
the biggest
Yeah.
one? What did you see in both of the KC?
Well, we have Alan Skill Code if you want to go
Yes.
so far. We have a few. We
We have the
some-
billionaire?
but if we have no million.
Billionaire, I said billionaire. You don't know? No.
I'm gonna let you know that
Churchill,
there's a KC old boy.
the Neaters used to
Oh,
go
okay.
to
There's a KC
Kingston
old boy
College.
that owns 20% of the Miami Heats.
Okay.
Alright, trivia question.
Where should this go first? Come here, take me, come here.
Which girls' school would you say that KC young men tend to what do you call it? The flower the most.
Alpha.
Alpha.
Alpha girls. Oh,
Okay,
oh.
as much as we man call them, if you as a KC man never have an alpha girl,
You never
don't
used to go
exist.
KC.
Like that,
Jesus
you never used to go KC. For me,
You weren't as proud of the Alpha era that you were with. But she was always there. She was always. Big up Alpha.
Call her name. Call her
Big
name.
up
Tripple.
Alpha
Call her name.
Academy.
Come on. Call her name.
Responsible for breaking a lot of Kingston
The girl
College
that take my
young men
virginity used
dogs.
to go alpha.
What did you say? We have an exclusive over here. What's her name?
You said?
What is her name?
Michelle, because then we catch her have sex a limelight in her body.
Jesus Christ. So where you have sex with her, Elli, now the bathroom?
No, I'm in
Where?
the house. In her room.
Oh, okay.
But
Ben.
then they catch her a limelight with my have sex.
She shot you, Jerry.
Not the worst thing, that girl that give me body that taxi man. First, it's just a lean every minute.
Up on the right side. She have
Just get it
ambition.
open and ask.
At least she go with that driver. You understand?
Ah, sorry.
She didn't drive them time to
She
Elli.
could have go with the doctor, you know. She could have go with the doctor.
You know the worst thing, dog? Ask her. I say, yo, you know man today? No. I will make her switch phone to come back, because I love come
What kind of phone do they have them time there?
One bowl too.
Wait, I want this to talk.
Yeah, Elli mash up. Elli mash up with you.
Remember the lady named Mama, so she got experiment with my 2 dogs. But I did me I like 40 odd man. You fret, yo. See that hear that?
But yeah.
Yo, I study so hard. Come here some more and make it over North Street. I'm really like Melbourne. And my average was like 49. When I study, you beat everything.
They actually have like really bright track and field people.
Yeah man, yeah, always
I
have
did
one
tracks
man.
when I was young, though.
I ain't bright, but coming out of the clearly it must be hard to manage that extracurricular activity.
Hard for me, I saw. I did track and swimming.
Were you excelling in track?
Alright. Yes, I was actually.
Oh.
I did long jump. But then I broke my arm and I even went to champs a few times. But then I broke my arm and I just gave up on that.
Well, me did dance. I never even care. I mean to run competition. Like, who could I get the lowest grade?
Oh my god.
There's only one drink a man, bro.
Pucha.
Yes.
Hated math.
Math class and teacher used to say like, alright, it's cash pot time. And then when I announce the grades like give a cash pot number like 16. Very bad girl. You know?
Because you're not allowed. I don't. Let me show you how much me hate maths. I've been failing maths since forever. The major maths exam I ever passed was CXC. And I got 3.
Yeah.
And I was
Alright, well that is it people. Very does for this Vlogmas episode 3, December the 3rd. Make sure say if you enjoyed it, you like, you share, you comment and you subscribe. Cause I'll be doing this for every day in December. Alright, people, take care until the next one. And remember, this the season to be Dutty. Maybe I can't lose weight for the role or something. Some movie thing go. Why you not Dora the Explorer deal?
What's that?
Why you not Dora the Explorer shirt?
Why nobody can look at it as I like to make sure people are in a role where they're happy and comfortable, and I try to